How to fix iOS 16 not showing notifications on iPhone lock screen. Hello everyone, I am Vishakha and welcome to our channel Create Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial and open Settings application on your device. You will see the option for notifications. Tap on that. Now tap on Show Previews and make sure it is selected to Always. You can also customize the notification depending on your preferred app. For that, scroll down and select the app that you want to customize notification of and make changes accordingly. I refreshed the notification for Instagram by toggling off the button for Allow Notification and then toggling it on again. Now go back to Settings and tap on Focus. Make sure the Do Not Disturb mode is not on. Go back and tap on Screen Time Now and then tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions and make sure Content and Privacy Restriction is toggled off. Go back to Settings and tap on General and now scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, then on Reset and then on Reset All Settings. Enter your passcode and reset all settings. Doing this will reset all the settings of your device. Nevertheless, none of your data or media will be deleted. You can also force restart your device. To force restart, quickly press and release the volume up button. Next, quickly press and release the volume down button. And finally, press and release the power button until you see the Apple logo. Don't release the power button when you see the slide to power off slider. Keep holding the side button until the Apple logo appears. Once it appears, you can release the power button. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.